What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I got a cool product from Easy Trunk, and it's basically a storage trunk for your Jeep, back of your Jeep. And I plan on taking off my hardtop quite a bit this summer, and this will just help everything stay secure. So I saw the instructions. All I should need is a screwdriver and everything else should be with it. So here's the trunk itself, packaged really well. So basically all you need is these two brackets, your hardware, and the actual thing. So let's see. So you guys see, I got it in. I had to remove my power tank. I'll put it back in. It'll fit. Just the edges right here didn't like that. So, but yeah, pretty simple install. Do the screws there, screw there. So now this strap, I want to lock it, loosen this up. Can tighten it a little bit. You don't want to tighten it too tight, because you don't want this to warp down. And then this strap right here, loosen it up. It's hard to do with one hand. Hold on. There you go. Strap. I can put storage on top here if I want. I love it. Easy Trunk. Check them out. Alright guys, this is the inside, and it just makes the inside look so clean. Gives the dogs more room. Like, subscribe.